What do we have here? It's our Melissa and Doug pizza counter. Cool! We're making pizza. First, we need our pizza dough. Let's use this mixer to mix our ingredients. We'll need 3 eggs. Here's 1, 2, 3. Let's crack open our yellow egg. Now let's crack open our green egg. And here's our last egg. Is it a red egg or a pink egg? It is pinkish red. Now, our last ingredient, a stick of butter. Now we need to put this in our pizza dough maker. A monster truck school bus? This doesn't belong in here. Now let's put our pizza dough in here. Our pizza dough is all ready. Now we're gonna set up our toppings. Let's see what's in our purple cup. It's black olives. Here's our green cup. It's pepperoni slices. Here's our red cup with some green peppers. Let's see what's in our yellow cup. It's mushrooms. And here's our blue cup with our tomato sauce. And our orange cup with our cheese. Now our crust is ready for our tomato sauce. What do we need next? Our cheese. Let's top it with some mushrooms, some green peppers, pepperoni slices, and black olives. Now let's bake our pizza. Let's count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. And we're done. Our pizza is all ready. Our pizza looks so yummy.
Funnest toys.
What do we have here? Yummy fruits and vegetables to feed our frog friend. Here's a red apple.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here and there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
Here's green peas.
Old MacDonald.
This is a yellow banana. Here's a red tomato. This is a purple eggplant. What's in here? Let's peel it and find out. It's yellow corn. Here's a green avocado. Here's an orange. Cool! It's building blocks. What do you think we can build with these blocks? Let's put them together and find out. What do we build? It's a blue airplane.
Funnest toys.
I wonder what surprises we have hiding in our garage. We have a yellow garage, a blue garage, a green garage, and a red garage. Let's see what's in our yellow garage. It's Lego blocks. Let's see what we can build with these Lego blocks. It's a yellow and blue police car. Now let's see what's in our blue garage. Let's see what we can build with these pieces. It's an airplane. Now let's see what's in our green garage.
dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
It's a blue and yellow school bus.
The mouse
Beep
takes
beep.
the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese.
Beep beep.
The cheese stands alone.
Now let's see what's in the bird garage.
The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, 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 skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk, shoot, fly, shoe. Flies in the buttermilk, shoot, fly, shoe. Flies in the buttermilk, shoot, fly, shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
It's a fire truck.
To my loo, loo,
Whee, 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 whee. Red fire truck. Yellow school bus. Blue airplane. And police car.
Funnest Toys.